What's up everybody? It's Chick from Trashy Tactical Gunsmith, back with another video for you. Now this week I've got a customer who brought me their Mecanik TP9 SFX, and it's got a Mecanik sight on top. Now believe me, I'm not talking any trash about Mecanik or their sights. I actually really like their stuff. But this customer has had many issues with their sight. This is actually their second one. They sent it back to the company, they sent them another one, and now they've had more issues with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm taking off the Mecanik sight, and I'm gonna be putting on a Delta PointPro. This individual, the last time they sent their sight out, I gave them my Delta PointPro to use, and they really enjoyed it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take off the old sight and put the new sight on. So if you like the video, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, pass it on to your friends and family, and let's go ahead and get this repair going. So I had to do a little bit of work off camera because otherwise we'd be here all day, and I had to get with some acetone and file and a few other different things to get all this adhesive or whatever adhesive they used built up on here. So I had to use it. I was able to break it, and now I actually got the screws out, but it took a lot of work to get those screws out. So let's go ahead and get this off, and let's get the new sight put on. All right, so we got the sight off, and you can see here there's two screws that go on. Then we have two more screws that go in here. And then with the Mecanik, there are also two screws on each side. You got to take those and loosen them, and those hold on to this piece right here. So now that we've got everything taken apart, let's clean it up, and we'll get the new sight put on the Mecanik for him. So now we have the optic plate taken off and the old optic, and now we have the new optic plate on here. And just so everyone knows, the torque specs for the optic plate on a Mecanik is actually 15 to 18 inch pounds. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. I'm doing it at 15. There we go. So now we're going to get this Delta PointPro put on here and installed, and we'll come back in a few minutes. So now we have the Delta PointPro mounted up on this TP9 SFX Mecanik, and the 25 inch pounds is the torque specs for the actual Delta PointPro. So we're going to go ahead and tighten it down to spec to make sure it's on there nice and tight. There's one. And there's two. Awesome. So now we have that mounted up on here. Looks nice. Nice big window to see through. There's our dot. Looks really good. Customer should be very happy. And so we've completed today's project. I removed the old Mecanik sight that he had on here that he was having problems with, and I put a Delta PointPro on here for him. So I will go ahead and get this thing cleaned up. Probably going to go ahead and do a bore sight on it, just so it's somewhat close, so he doesn't have to waste a lot of rounds when he zeroes it to his standard. But job well done, in my opinion. Fairly easy. So remember, if you like the video, give it a good thumbs up. Make sure you comment, share, subscribe. We're at close to 130 subscribers. We're doing really well. I'm also on Instagram now, and we do have a Facebook page. And the website is up and running 95%. So if you're in the local area and you're looking for someone to do a little bit of gunsmithing work in Phoenix City, Fort Mitchell, Seal, in that general area of Alabama, hit up the website, let me know. And for now, always remember, rack around and find out.